Hi everyone, Nina here. Welcome back. I have an amazing haul today from multiple things that I got from multiple places. They will all be linked down below in the description, all the links. So first of all, I love anything Vicki Boutin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her last name correctly. So this is her recent release, Fernwood. So beautiful. I got these 3 sets and some papers. I'm gonna show you. These are the tassels. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. They come with these cute acrylic. Look how beautiful. Cute acrylics like charms, and the tassels. Very elegant and very nice. Would complete any journal booklet. Very nice. I also got these, the paper clips. They're all matching with the rest of the release. Look how cute. I also got this. This is the embellishment. Look how many items you get. And it's a chipboard. Look how thick it is, sturdy. And you get all these tags. If you want to put them in one booklet, add some notes over here, sort of a picture over here, a memo. Very cute. Look at the back of the house. The house also opens up. Very nice. And it also comes in the same set. These are all together. This is also smaller tags. Also Fernwood collection. Look at this. My favorite. Look how cute. And you have them all punched, so you can just add them together. Look how cute this shaker magnifier is. You just add a bow or a flower. Look how cute. On this, it's a pocket for a mini card. And it also has the ring, so you can put them all together in one ring. You can also put them with the bigger tags. So it's a whole book in a ring. They're all one tag. So cute. Also, I got with it things that complement my tags. These are cards. These are double-sided papers from the same collection. Look how cute the cards are. Very beautiful. Such very cute designs. These are tags. I thought I'm gonna use them to create such a cute booklet as a gift for someone, or even if I add our own photos. I also found this. I am so happy that I found it. I felt so lucky. These are Thinlits by Sizzix. They are tiny alphabets. Look how small these are. I did die cut a word with it just to show you. Look how small it is. I think it's a 1/4 inch, like between the 1/4 and between the half. Less than a half and more than a 1/4. And look how small it is. I did die cut these just to show you. Why I need these, they help me a lot to complete my sentiment. Like if I want to write, I miss you, I'm barely surviving in this card. I wanted to write I miss you with the tiny die cut letters. So I would have put I miss here. I went through mustache to find the word I miss you. I miss to complete my sentiments and write I miss you. So also over here, I wanted I and you. So look how cute this card is. So I'm gonna link down below the videos for these cards if you want to check them. So this is amazing. I'm so happy that I found it. I wanted something small because usually you get the alphabet sets big, so they would show because you can create sentiments with them, but this is gonna complement your sentiment. And also I'm gonna show you my happy mail from Art Impressions and the new release. From the new release, I have these. These are all the new release. This is a doorway set you buy this door and then you have different sets to continue your scene with the front porch. So I got this one. It's Celebrate. Look how cute everything is. It's a party. You celebrate. And also from the new release, you get this cute, oh, they also come with the dies. I just don't want to forget to mention that. And the die cuts these little windows open and also cuts the door open. Very cute. I also have this crafting bag. I have something very special for this set because since I'm one of the design team members, this design of mine was taken and was put on the package. So this is my coloring. This, not the design of the bag, the design of the coloring. This is actually mine. The dies do open the pockets and the top of the bag. So you can stack all the items inside. So this is actually my coloring, and of course my favorite E99 marker, Copic marker. This is Copic coloring. I'm gonna soon share a video of how I colored this. Look how cute. So excited. This is my design. Yay! And also recently from Art Impressions, this is Simon Says Stamp's exclusive collaboration between Simon Says Stamp and Art Impressions. It's for the Mother's Day. Look how cute the images are. And also they come with the die. Look how cute everything is. Look how cute these birdies are. The flower pot. And the cute mother bear with the baby bear. They are just so cute. So this is for the new release. And I'm gonna show you my happy mail that I got this month for May. I got this road trip set. They are the stamps. And look how cute and detailed all the images are. Endless ideas. Very beautiful. Also, I'm thinking for the summer time, I'm gonna create things with these, like road trip, cruise trip. Look how cute these images are. Everything is just so beautiful. Endless ideas. Also, this is for the springy, summery time gardening set. Got a garden set. Look how cute images are. Oh my god, the happy little happy girl. Very cute. This is also a series called Holiday Mansion. It's a line. So you get this. Excuse me. This is the major stamp. This is the major stamp and die set. And then with that goes many. So because the dies over here open the windows, so you get many sets of different critters that can peek through. So dies are included. They open the windows and the doors. Very nice. I also got these steel dies, double stitched, both sides, the banners and the circles. Look how cute. Very, very nice. So this is all what I got recently, guys. I thought I'll share it with you. I have everything, as I told you, linked down below in the description. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing, commenting on my videos. You are the reason I am able to continue doing this. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!